Alright, give me a kiss.
Oh, why is it all up on the top of your lip, my nigga? That's not how it's supposed to be.
I need you to tell me about my makeup.
No, you don't. That shit toe up.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own.
First of all, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Second of all, please subscribe down below. So today's video is very special because I am going to be tricking my family into thinking I'm doing a makeup tutorial. What the f? Alright, my bad. I'm so sick of flies. But anyway, I'm going to be tricking them into thinking I'm doing a makeup tutorial, but really I'm going to be doing my makeup terribly wrong and see if I can get a reaction out of them. Now, I know my sister and my husband are very honest. They're freaking actually my biggest critics, to be honest. But my sister's girlfriend, Kiana, and my parents, they're kind of nice. So I don't know what kind of reaction we're going to get from them, but let's see. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so right here I am just doing my eyebrows. This is gonna make them look fat and thick. I know that most of the time I fill in my brows anyway, but not like this. And now I am just trying to do the most. I'm not doing it right. It feels like I'm using my left hand. Put it on my mustache. Just gotta dab it everywhere. Put it everywhere. Who cares, right? Gotta look as crazy as possible. Like, and I know beauty gurus do this light skin stuff right here. I don't know what it's for, so I'm gonna just go with the flow. That fly had me fucked up. Alright, let's keep on going. Cute. I actually feel like I was starting to look cute right here. Look at that. Ooh, I'm about to get them things in there. Yes, I don't know what color I'm using. I think it's burgundy or something. And I felt like I needed to just darken my eyebrows just a little bit more and get a little more dramatic with it. Because I never do my eyebrows this dark. So now I'm putting some more foundation on my face just to cover up the light skin parts. And I am using my eyebrow gel for my contouring. See that? Yes, contour. With a sparkly glitter in the eye. My chin do not match my neck at all. My whole face is off. I'm starting to look like Michael a little bit. I got those lashes from Diva Mink. I'll leave the description in the description box. Look at that eyelash hanging off. Lipstick look ridiculous. I did it off my lip on purpose. Yes, look like a freaking bozo. Dang, I look crazy. I look real wild. But we gonna get this though. Yes. Cute. Alright, so I am showing my family my makeup look. So, TT.
I don't like it.
You don't like it, nigga? Wait, why? I for real worked hard on this.
It looks caked.
Really?
And then
Caked?
it's like a different color than your neck.
It's a different nigga, no, it's just a little bit, like one shade. It's like one shade off. Kiki, what you think, girl?
I like it. And I like the lipstick color.
She a real one.
So I'm not a real one because I don't like it.
It's cute.
Oh, you just don't like it.
Your eyelashes is cute.
Popping. To get my parents' reactions. Y'all ready?
Wow. Really?
Wow.
I like how you did the bows in there.
Thanks. I feel like you lying though.
I like it.
What about you, Paw? Oh, period. I feel like they lying.
Why? You don't like it?
I love it.
Okay, so why you think you lying?
Because you was looking all like, last time.
Words look like that on lipstick.
You too though.
I was saying,
You too though.
I was giving you thumbs up.
No, you didn't even want to look. Let me insert the unheard of video. Yeah, they were saying it was ugly. I just can't hear it though. It ain't got no sound. Babe, I gotta get something real quick. All right, babe. This nigga on the shitter. All right, look at my makeup and tell me. Nigga, and tell me what you think.
Think you look black.
Black. So should I post my makeup tutorial on YouTube?
No.
These
Funny.
sounds was all in
Listen to that
my.
nigga. Why you on me like this? What?
I need you to tell me about my makeup.
No, you don't. That shit toe up.
What you mean toe up?
That shit toe up, my friend.
What's wrong with
You
it?
gotta. I don't know.
What part don't
The
you
makeup
like?
probably
So I
suck.
can try to.
Maybe the
do it.
makeup suck. I don't know.
This nigga on the shitter. And he telling me my makeup suck. I feel like I did a good job.
Why is it all splotchy in the eyes?
You really don't like it, so I shouldn't post this. I should try better. I should do better. You gotta hit it again.
Don't take two.
Dang, that's cold. I tried my best to.
Yeah, right.
Okay, when I do my
Try again.
when I do my new video, should I use this lipstick color?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, give me a kiss.
Oh, why is it all up on the top of your lip, my nigga? That's not how it's supposed to be. I don't give a fuck. Who? I don't know who wearing their stuff like that. but
Kylie
she not.
Jenner.
No,
Kylie, she wears her
not.
lipstick
No,
like
don't.
yes she
No,
do. Yes she
No,
do.
she don't.
And she get a lot of likes on YouTube.
Don't wear it like that. Hey, tell your mom she's lying. She's tripping.
Alright guys, so I just asked my family what they thought about my makeup. My husband absolutely hates it. From everybody to my parents who kind of like it to Kiana who thinks it's cute. So, Peyton thinks it's cute too. And I think I fooled them very well. Because what the freak, like, let me give y'all a full look. Full look. Look at my eyelash hanging off. Like, are they serious? Who said this was cute? They need to be. Shut up. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please comment down below what you thought of the reactions, what you thought of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.